your boy Playboi Zuse, and I'm back with the motherfucking static on. He did. Sure. Yeah, but today we're not gonna get into the static. Today I'm gonna be unboxing some of the orders that you guys pre-ordered and some of the orders that I will be shipping out to you guys soon as you purchase, you feel me? But we're gonna get right into it and we're gonna get these orders packed, shipped, and everything right on here, you feel me? Make sure you sub, make sure you like, make sure you comment. Make sure you do all that right now, man. What you all doing? Make sure you comment, like, subscribe right now. I'm gonna be sitting you guys down so y'all can see everything he did. You ain't subscribed yet? We're gonna have a problem. We're gonna have a problem if you ain't subscribed yet. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like. Spam the like button right now. Share this with 5 friends and you can win a free shirt. Simple as that, you feel me? Make sure you screenshot all the 5 friends you sent to and make sure they comment in this video. And then they do, you feel me? You get a free shirt, free shipping on me. I'm about to go live on my other page. Make sure y'all join that right now, you feel me? If you ordered, make sure you join right now. Everything just came in. Click. Sure. I don't even know what this is. This bitch is Chinese, y'all. This bitch is fucking Chinese. Alright, so these are the large. Got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, these are XLs. XL. This is a 2X for my big people. More large. More large. Medium. 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 Small. I'm finna check what's in here. What it is, my boy? Best drip out, you know it. You gonna see what the fuck's in here though. You gonna see what the fuck's in here. Oh shit. Well, I can't show y'all these. Well, I can't show y'all these. Oh yeah, these on release. What? It's only one person in here. Fuck it. It's only one person. Who gonna see it? Ooh, the detail though. The detail. Come on, man. The detail for this? Crazy. Hey, I swear to God, like, I did not know that the month of October was breast cancer awareness, but I made these before it even got to October. You feel me? But y'all gonna see these soon. I ain't gonna put out too much. I need a custom hoodie. Soon, my boy, soon. Soon. With that on it? With that on it? Let me show you the back. Let me show you the back. Say direct. Oh yeah. Whew. I ain't gonna lie. See, this is why I make y'all wait. Cause like shit like this don't come cheap. And this shit, the quality on this, fam. I told her I need tags. She said, I bet. Boom. We got bottom tags too. Come on. Like whenever you see this shit, y'all know who it is. But this shit fire though. This shit fire. I ain't even gonna cat you. This shit fire. Hell yeah, you know that shit special. This the other one. Sheesh. I ain't gonna lie, this shit fire. Pictures, I promise you, pictures don't do no justice. Pictures don't do no justice. Simple little fit, you feel me? You can put this on October, about like it's spooky season, you feel me? This shit fire. I ain't gonna cap, she did her shit. But the rest of these orders, you feel me? These are largest. I'm gonna call up a few people to come, a few of my ambassadors to come get their shit. Y'all low key on the video too. Say what's up to the ground. Y'all low key Y'all low-key being filmed while being filmed. You feel me? We gotta flick this. Hell yeah. I ain't gonna lie, fam. These the birthday pics too. But we still got all these, you feel me? I'm about to pack some of these up while I'm here with y'all. Did your thing, gang. Yes, sir. Keish, Rod. Look, like, I don't wanna let her go, cause she too pressured. But the prices on them shorts, fam, I'm gonna have to drop them bitches soon. I'm gonna try this on for y'all. I'm gonna try this on. But this a large. See how she came with it? Oversized little fitted. Come on, man. Come on, man. I hope these are shit I actually like. Oh, this the color book. This the color book, y'all. This for the t-shirts. Oh yeah. So if y'all don't know, it's only 2 of y'all in here, so I don't give a fuck who know. I'm finna be dropping these fleece pants in December. I'm only dropping 2 of them, and I'm gonna see how y'all fuck with it before I drop the rest. But I have all the colors right here. And the color I'm looking for is right there. All 3 of them, so you know what that mean. Wow, this shit fire though. I guess this is the main color. You know, this fat ass fabric. Oh, this different fabrics and shit. Oh. Y'all wanna do that? Yeah, but before I tell y'all my secrets and shit, drop my side. I'm trying to, fam. Like, I'm trying to. Even trying to get XL. This drop, I ain't even get that much 2X. I only got like, I'll say 3. Not even. I only got 4 XL. Like, I say XL. No, I got 5 2X. I only got 5 2X. Them shits cost a grip to make, fam, but I got you though. But I'm about to bag these shits up. So excuse me for a minute while I do that. But these shits though, like, I'm still on this. Like for real. Like, I'm still on this. Like, this is probably the best shit I ever created so far. Like, and it's simple as fuck. Like, I promise you, this is about the simplest shit I've ever thought of. Simple. And for everybody that wanna know what FOSS mean, I'm gonna drop, like, when I drop the collection, I'm gonna drop the meaning of it. Well, my intentional meaning of it, cause a lot of people using it in the wrong way, cause, like, you feel me? But a lot of people talking about they got motion. Fuck all that motion. You ain't got no force with no motion. Like, you gotta have force in order to have motion, you feel me? Yes, sir. But yeah, I'm about to pack these orders up. Y'all on the YouTube right now. Say what's up. Drop y'all ass, you feel me? Drop y'all ass. 4K bosses in there. Kenny. Who in the live right now? Let's check. We got OMG Rod in here. Y'all know OMG Rod. Y'all already know who that is. 4K bosses in the chat too. Oh yeah. Y'all go follow them boys. Yes, sir. Alright, so I'm about to go pack up these orders. Boom. And then send them out. That's about it. But this color book, I'm still on this. Like, the fleeces I'm about to drop, there's about 125 colors in here. I could drop 125 pieces if I want to. Y'all tell me what y'all want. It's about 146 colors in this shirt. I'm about to pack up these orders and get, right? So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 pre-ordered orders. So 11 people waited a month and some change to get their shit. And everybody about to get their shit sent out. with the little special gifts, you feel me? Cause like one thing about me, I don't like making people wait, you feel me? And I did make y'all wait for a big minute. And some of y'all still waiting for the rest of y'all stuff. But these people right here, I really fuck with y'all, like heavy, you feel me? All 11 of y'all. Y'all ordered, y'all trusted the brand, you feel me? So now, I'm finna send y'all packages. So we got the mediums. I need about like 4 of these. This the rest of the medium. This the 4 we got to send out. This is large. I need 4 of these too. 1, 2, 3. Burn on hot, man. Might burn on grip. Oh, it was fine, right? Check. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Peep the details though. Like the details. I've been getting high and low, working on a new landing. How the fuck do I put it in the wrong box? In the wrong one. Alright, so as you guys can see, we started a little bit earlier, around like 5:04. And we're finally done. You feel me? Our first little, these are the pre-orders. You feel me? And then we got the rest here. There's like 2 more I gotta pack. But we're gonna do that tomorrow. I'm about to go to the gym. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be shipping out these orders. So if your order is one of them, make sure you comment right now. Alright, so basically right now, what I'm finna do is scan all my orders in so that I could track them on my phone when they get to you, and I could tell you guys when they get to you. So right now I'm gonna be scanning some of them, well, all of them, to make sure that I can track them and you can track them too. So we about to get into that. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.